What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is American Carter, and today I'm doing my fidget spinner collection. Let me just go get my fidget spinners. Let me do the magic trick. No, click. Thank you. Let me just get it open. Okay, guys, I do only have 5. It's not that much. I might be getting more. So I start off with my least favourite to my best. So this is my least, but I only like that. So yeah, I think that's going to be my least. Let's put that there. No, I'll go the first one I got to the last one I got. So, forget that. Okay, I'll just put them on order right there. Okay guys, I've got them in order. I hope you like these. So to start off is my first blue one. I don't know why the bearings are falling out, but pretty good. So that's my first one. And then I'll do my least to my favourite. So this makes a rackety noise, which I don't like that, but this is my second one that I got. I don't know how people spin them like that. I always have to spin it like that. Okay, that's my second. This is my third what I got. I've showed you the green. The Batman. It's been for that long. And then I won this at school, but it doesn't spin for very long. And I won it. So, yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Sorry, jokes. I need to do my least favourite. Wait, now let me do 2. Let's step it up. Let's put 3. No, it did not work. Alright. Well, that's 3. I'll do the Batmans together now. It's going to be so easy. Oh. Alright, we'll see how long this lasts. So start from foot 5. Foot 5. It's going down. The last bearing is there. Oh no! 35 to 2, that's really good just for that. Okay guys, on to this one. So, 10. 11. 15. Come on, 55. 53, no, 52, that's pretty good. Okay guys, I'm back. Just went to go get my glasses. So, I'll start this on 5. 5. 5. We started this from 5. Keep going.
So guys, we are back with another video. As you can tell by the title, right?
Sorry about that. Oh, 5. This took a minute and 15 seconds. 19, 20. Right, I want to try to do a trick. What? No. Where's my other Batman? Let me just find my other Batman. Wait there. Found it, guys. I found it. Found it. I nailed it. Right. This starts from 50. Ten seconds too. 10, 3, 4. Just to make prove it is. $50 to $25. That's pretty good. Okay guys, now that's all my fidget spinners. Now I just need to do some tricks before my time runs out. Finger swap. So start it on that. Nope. Get better fidget spinner. Oh no! Right. What? It will start on that. Watch. Oh no, the Byron. No, that's 2. That's 3. Let's start it from 10. Let's try and poke my finger. Oh! Let's try. Oh. Look at that. Shows better in real life. Look at that side. Oh! There we go, let's put the bearings back in. That'll be done. Yes, it is down. Try some finger tricks with this. Oh! I need to end the video in like a minute. I need to do a trick before that. Caught it. Trick. Jokes. Alright, yeah. That's metal, that's why. Well, that was metal, that's why, so I'll try this. For God's sake. Right, ready? Right, it will start on this thing here. Oh, bearing emergency. Okay guys, that's the video ended here. I hope you like my fidget spinners. Fidget spinners. Fidget spinners. Make it rain. Alright, I'll see you guys when I see you again in my next reaction video. Bye.